Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move your Xbox PC games to your Steam library. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and you see your main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Games. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Add a non-Steam game to my library. This feature is what allows you to bring external games into your Steam environment, making it easier to manage all your games in one place. After clicking that option, a new window will pop up showing you a list of games and applications that Steam has automatically detected on your computer. Browse through this list carefully and look for your Xbox PC games. If you find your game in this list, simply check the box beside it to select it. This tells Steam which game you want to add to your library. However, if you can't find your Xbox game in the automatically detected list, don't worry, there's another way to locate it. In the bottom left panel of this window, you'll see a button labeled Browse. Click on it. This opens up your File Explorer and allows you to manually navigate to where your Xbox games are stored on your computer. Now, I don't have Xbox games installed on my PC right now, but I'm going to show you the next steps anyway. Let's pretend I have Xbox games installed. Once you click Browse, you'll need to navigate through your folders to find where your Xbox games are located. Typically, Xbox PC games are stored in a specific folder on your system drive. Once you locate your games folder, select the game's executable file and then click Open. This manually adds the game to the selection list. After you've either checked the box for your game from the automatic list or manually browsed to add it, you'll see the Add Selected Programs button. Click on it. This finalizes the process and officially adds your Xbox game to your Steam library, allowing you to launch it directly from Steam whenever you want. To confirm that everything worked correctly, click on Library in the upper left corner of Steam. This takes you to your main game library view. Scroll through your games and you should now see your Xbox PC game listed alongside all your other Steam games. You've successfully integrated your Xbox game into Steam, making it convenient to access and launch from one central location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.